I'm a huge Wonder Woman fan. Hey, what's up YouTube? Sir Nick Justice here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Batman the Animated Series Catwoman Gem Edition. I do want to give a huge shout out to Dragon's Lair San Antonio. They were able to pick this up for me over at Diamond Select there at San Diego Comic-Con 2018. It is limited to 100 pieces, and this is number 86. So we're going to go ahead and begin. Already we got the certificate of authenticity. So what makes this Catwoman a little bit different than the other one is that they actually added real diamonds to the collar that's going to be on her neck. So one of the first things that really pops out to me about this statue is that it does have a nice flooring base to it. It is a black and white marble floor. So far I'm looking at the paint job from this side, and I don't see any paint imperfection as of yet. I know some people with the regular version did comment about that. It's a very, very minuscule drop to the right of the left eye. But so far, I know a lot of people on the regular version said that the whip was scratching against the leg, for instance, the thigh, from the rubbing. But so far, I mean, this looks awesome. I also have a special surprise custom by my friend over at Kluver Designs. He did whip up this custom drawing. It is of Batman and Selina Kyle as Catwoman, and in this picture you can see them romancing. I really wanted the whip to be around Batman, sort of like pulling him into love, and it has her traditional outfit, but if you've ever seen the animated series, a very orange type of environment at night. So I'm very happy to put this right behind the statue, and you can check out many of Kluver Designs over on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Huge thank you to Dragon's Lair San Antonio for being able to get this piece. Be sure to subscribe to the channel below. I'm going to create more cosplay tutorials, cosplay features at Comic-Cons, as well as some unboxing videos. You'll also be able to find previous videos on how to make fire Wurbla, as well as a floating orb ball. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.